Tilray has taken it on the chin after this strong move higher, which occurred and started back in mid-July. We can see for the week ending that price is going to close below this support band, which is huge for the bulls and the bears. If you look to the right of price, you have a green extended range candle. There are no buyers in here, which means that price is going lower. Before we continue with the analysis, let's look at this article. It is coming from Investor Place. 2024 cannabis pick, Tilray. For the long run, that is. So the company is headquartered in Canada, but they will and could still benefit from the federal level cannabis decriminalization in the U.S. All tides, or the tide rises all boats, right? So this is good for the cannabis sector. It's going to be good for Tilray and other companies in the industry. Tilray remains a top-tier cannabis producer, but the company is more diversified than you think. So even if the pro-cannabis reform is gradual in the U.S., keep an eye on Tilray and think about holding a few shares through 2024 and beyond. Again, this is not my opinion. Just want to put that out there. It is Investors Place opinion. Cannabis market excitement of 2018 is in the rear view mirror. Back then, price target of 150 for Tilray stock was realistic, yet in 2023 and 2024, Tilray's investors should target $3 to $5, or $3 rather than 5. All right, we're going to look at that level of $3. Tilray continues to introduce high-quality specialty cannabis product lines, including a host of new strands, aromas, and flavors for canna connoisseurs. Tilray has diversified its business model outside of cannabis production. They recently purchased and acquired 8 beer beverage brands from Anheuser-Busch, making it the 5th largest craft beer in the U.S. That's pretty crazy. Recently, the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services called for cannabis to move from Schedule 1, a highly restrictive category, to Schedule 3, which is less restrictive. Still, there's still a long way before full U.S. decriminalization of cannabis will be a reality. On the heels of the cannabis industry victory, the Safer Banking Act is heading for consideration in the Senate. If the bill becomes law, it could provide access to registered U.S. cannabis businesses to previously unavailable small business loans, while also offering various financial protection. So that's just big too. So you got two tailwinds in favor of the cannabis space overall, which should be bullish longer term. Tilray stock will probably have its moonshot moment in 2024 with further price spikes in 2025 and afterwards. Therefore, it's fine to take a share position in Tilray now as long as your timetable exceeds beyond 2023. And that's key. You got to be an investor in this case, as you know, price is going to trickle lower. So I wouldn't buy now. I would wait until price got to the $175 level. Let's look at that on the daily chart. 175 would be right about here. So it's near that gap fill at 170. Again, or you can play it this way. When you see this trend line break, that might be an opportunity to say, okay, price has bottomed, it's safe to get in. So two conservative ways to get in for confirmation. This is probably number one, trend line break, but I would love to see the gap fill to get in a little lower, near all-time lows. And that 170 level, 175 level coincides with this drop base rally. So this is a monthly bias level. Which would be a really nice entry. To go long. Let's look at that again on the daily chart. Yeah, it kind of coincides with that gap fill. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, please. Like the video.